is a little crayon set that I just bought today at Toys R Us, and really cool and nice, and you can play with them whenever you want.
Yeah.
So we have some crayons. We have a 12 color pencils and 24 crayons. And I lost my glue, but I still have scissors. So cool. I have some construction paper. I just started with it with new pictures, and I have 8 markers in here. So I think I'll see you for the next episode, and this was actually just an introducement to my crayon set, and thank you for watching. Bye.